Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the objective and the target, who you want to reach and what action you expect. Once done, gather brand assets and a few short product clips so the AI has context. This improves tone and visuals. Next, pick tools: a prompt-driven script generator, a TTS voice with custom inflections, and a video editor that supports auto-cut and captions. Make sure to set KPIs like CTR and CPA up front, so every creative choice ties back to performance. You write a tight script, hook, value, and a single clear CTA, and iterate with AI until language fits the persona. Then generate or record a voiceover. Adjust speed and pauses so the visuals can breathe. After that, feed assets into an AI editor to auto-cut to beats, apply captions for silent autoplay, and insert quick motion graphics to highlight features. Make sure to preview on mobile and desktop. Different aspect ratios and pacing influence engagement, and ad placement performance. You export variants, 16:9, 1:1, and short 5-15-second cuts ready for platforms. Once live, run a /B tests for hooks, CTA, and thumbnails while monitoring CTR and conversion metrics. Iterate quickly. Swap a visual, adjust pacing, or shorten the opening to 1 to 2 seconds if engagement drops. If something goes wrong, like mute autoplay failure, check caption timing and re-encode with correct codecs. That single fix often restores impressions and viewability fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.